Okay, for everybody out there in YouTube land, and even for that matter, our members, but more importantly for our followers on YouTube and on StockTwits, we've been posting some of the picks by Swing Machine on stocks. And I want to give you some empirical numbers on what we've done here for positions in the last 10 days. Okay, 10 days. But let me show you, if you're seeing this for the first time, this is our product called Swing Machine for stocks, ETFs, and options. And what happens is, folks, is every night Swing Machine will show us the long entries and the short entries. And if this pricing holds at the open tomorrow, they'll confirm. And then what will happen is the previous call, which was a short signal here, for instance, on Comcast, it had been short for 27 days. That will go away, and this number one will turn to a number two, and the box will turn green, and then the position will begin calculating itself in its profit and loss based on the assumption that one has purchased 100 or shorted 100 shares. Now, it could be 1,000 shares, could be an option, but I suppose we could just assume one share like futures, but we take a single lot of 100. Now, let me also show you, we show you not just that profit and loss, but we show you the entry price, we show you the time of the trade and the date. So when you have this sitting on your own machine, you can sort the oldest trades, you can sort the newest trades, which is what we've done here. We've sorted the newest trades. So we're able not only to see what the Swing Machine is giving us now, but we can go in and look what it gave us 2 days ago and how much are they up or down. How much are they up or down? Now, we've calculated some numbers, and what I was interested in knowing, and we don't keep a running tally on this, so it's kind of like going in and just doing a little spot check, because I did a live session earlier today and somebody asked me the question. And they said, well, I want to know what your hit rate is. I want to know what your hit rate is for the last, presumably 10 days. And that's what we're going to do, the last 10 days. Now, hit rate is the win-loss ratio, and we don't put a lot of importance on hit rate, but this person did, and so we want to show you. It's black and white. We're going to show you how many were up and how many were down out of so many trades. But more importantly, we also have gone through and we've tallied, and we invite you to look over our shoulders so you don't think we're playing any games here, and you can add up all the green ones and add up all the red ones. But let me scroll down and just show you how many there are. Now, there are 10 opportunities tonight, so I'm not counting these because they'll confirm in the morning, and they may or may not be there in the morning or at the open, and then they'll be there. If they are, they'll be there tomorrow night, and we'll begin to count these too. But so we're going to start here at number 11 because these first 10 we're not going to count. So let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to scroll up here, okay? And now I'm going to save you time here on YouTube. We're not going to take 20 minutes to do this by any means, but I think you're going to be very interested in what an objective, consistent, scientific, methodical approach to trading can do for you. Can you imagine getting these opportunities presented to you every night? How would you like to just look at the 10 and maybe pick the most juicy ones, right? Look at a chart, look at whatever you want to look at, and we have some tips for that. Of course, there's much more information that Swing Machine provides over here. Let me just show you over here. We give you a lot of trend information and resistance information, but this is the signal, and so this is what we want to tally. So what we did, let's scroll down until we get up beyond number 10, because this is counting the number of days, right? This is 2 days, 3 days. This is 3 days short. This is 3 days long. This is 4 days long. This one's 4 days short. So to give you a for instance, this one here short, DHI has been short for 3 days. It's underwater, $21. We shorted at this price, and that's currently where it is. We take this one here, CVX, it's been long for 4 days. It's up $95. This was the entry price, and this was the date. Okay, so we're going to scroll down, and you can see we got some nice, we got some red ones, but we got some nice winners. This one's short for $700, $600. And let's scroll down. There's 367. There's a loser for 547, but there's a winner at 209. Here one. This is Amazon, 8,474. As a matter of fact, if you go back, we made public. So there was an $8,000 trade we gave to everybody in the cheap seats, because 5 or 6 days ago we did this and we showed everybody. Then Swing Machine was going along Amazon, and it was only up $300, and we said it's probably a pretty good time to buy Amazon. If you had or gotten an option on it, God knows how much you could have made on an option. Would have been a hell of a lot more than 8,000, but that ain't bad. 225. So we're going to keep scrolling so that if you want to keep account, and there's a 610 on a long, there's a 238. I'm reading off some of the winners. 114. There's a 1671. That's 1,671. There's a loser there for 632. There's a winner for 630. A winner for 230. Look at this. We got a winner on Booking.com. $9,000. 230, 337, 222, 447, 107. 504, and now, okay, so this is it here at number 10. So we had, you take off, we had 121 trades. 121. Now, we've already done this. Out of 121 trades, 70 are in the green. So we take 70, we divide that by 121. That gives us a hit ratio of 58%, which isn't all bad, right? But for us, hit ratio is, the win-loss ratio isn't anything. It's about controlling the losses and keeping the losses small and letting the winners run. And this is a trend-following system. Trend follow, not a counter trend. This isn't meant to be profitable intraday. This is meant to be profitable days from now. Amazon very well could run up to be 30, 40 grand. We could be in this thing in January, and it will move. And we'll track it for you if you'd like. But so our hit rate, though, to answer that gentleman's question, for a clip, like they say in baseball, a baseball clip, a batter's clip average, 58%. But what is important? What were our winning trades? Our winning trades were totaled 29,841. Had you put 100 shares in every single position, you would be up on the winners 29,841. Yeah, Bagger, but I see a lot of red on there. You only got 70% of them, or you got 58% of them. Okay, we'll give you that. How much were we down? We were down currently, real time, 3,309. So we divide the winners by 3,309. That gives us a profit factor of 9. That, folks, is a money-making machine. That means for every dollar we're down, we're up 9 in the last 10 days. Now I ask you, what would you pay to have such a system? What is the value to you? Can you believe membership at Stock Market Caddy, if you want to follow and get these signals every night, is $99.95. $100 a month, month to month. more opportunity than you have money. And if you want this and everything else to trade futures and trade everything else on your computer, the annual membership is a little bit more. But you're welcome to call me, 813-758-8263. My name is Don Marshall. My moniker is Bagger Don, as in the movie Bagger Vance. I'm here to help you, folks. I don't want your money. I'm not a broker. I'm not a broker. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not making specific recommendations. I'm not here to make you go chart blind. I'm not going to draw you charts night after night after night in trend lines and show you one meaningless moving average or stochastics and MACDs and ADX and yada, 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 and crap that doesn't work. I'm going to show you what I'm looking at. I'm going to show you the swing machine. And if you want to look at the same and try your hand at trading the swing machine, then there's no time to waste. $100 a month. You'll certainly learn a lot. I can't guarantee that you'll make money, but you will learn a lot. So again, our hit ratio for the last 10 days, 58%. Our profit factor in stocks, our profit factor, 9. Do you even know? And the thing of it is, anybody else you're following on Twitter, anybody else that you might be subscribing to, ask them, show me, Mr. Whoever or Miss Whoever, show me your picks, your system. What did your system pick for the last 10 days? And show me what the hit ratio is, and more than that, show me what your profit factor is. I don't think they will do that. And also, show me the methodology. There is a methodology to this, and it does not use moving averages, because moving averages and all that other crap do not work. And if you still doubt me, I don't know, what else I can do, but you check back whenever you want. You check back in a couple of days. You check back in a week. You check back in a month. And you can ask me, and I will show you. We'll give you, if you hear this and you're still here, we'll give you a hall pass. And you can come in and say, hey, Bagger, in the next 15 minutes, I want you to go live, and I want to see your positions on the futures live. Live. And I'll show you. You ought to see what they're doing right now. Bagger, I want to see what you've done in the last 10 days. I want to see what you've done from the beginning. Because you see, folks, we can do it this way too. This is the S&P 500. And if you had taken these positions, now this has been scrolled by money. Now we're not up on all of them. But let me show you very, very quickly, because I'm limited by YouTube. We're long and we're short, so I'm going to just scroll down. And out of 500 stocks, we're profitable in 425. The yellow means we're just going in, so they're flat. So we're profitable or flat out of 437 out of 500. Now, the remainder, yes, we are having some drawdowns. Relatively small. And we do have, I don't know what the story is with this ANET. I don't even know what ANET is. But we probably want to look at it. It's a real, anomaly. But there's just one at 2. There's one at 1,000. That's Expedia. And out of 500, folks. But look at these. So again, you're welcome to call me. You're welcome to follow. If you like this, push the like button. You can subscribe on YouTube. You can follow us on Twitter. But don't expect us to give us our picks. We're not going to do that. We don't have the time to do that. What we do for our monthly members is show them the video, actionable video, every night, anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour, every night, Sunday through Thursday, probably about 25 to 30 hours of actionable video shots of our algorithms running on stocks and futures and ETFs that you can act upon and learn. If you want these systems and more on your computer, we're set up to do that. We'll lease it to you. feel free to give me a call. We wish you the best. Happy New Year.